Hi, I'm Dwayne Harris. I am the inventor and founder of HEL-GIE. HEL-GIE is a 3-in-1, 4-in-1 PPE mask. I came up with HEL-GIE because a family member was affected by COVID-19, and seeing first-line workers and essential workers deal with protecting themselves became very evident. And I wanted to do something to help fight this disease. So I came up with the HEL-GIE, which is a 3-in-1 and a 4-in-1 PPE mask. And it's very simple. Let me just show you. Actually, I'm wearing one. This is the bouffant attached to the face mask. The beauty of this is it's not attached to the ear. It's attached to the mask. And then we also have a shield that goes across here. But let me just show you. This is a 4-in-1 PPE mask. As you can see, it's attached one unit. You have the shield, if you can see that. You have the face mask. You have a head bandana with an attached net, hair net, for those situations where you need to have that extra protection. So this is this simple unit use, and I'm going to demonstrate it for you really briefly. I'm going to take mine off, and I'm going to show you how long it takes to put on this PPE. So I'm going to do this. Bear with me. I'm going to take this off. All you have to do is take it off, and there you go. It's a one-time use product. Just throw it away. So here's the other one that I'm going to demonstrate for you, and to show you how easy it is. Just put it on. This has the face mask, the shield attached, and you just tie it in the back. Everything is connected. Pull your mask down, adjust the ears, if you want it inside or outside, and you're ready to go to treat your patients or to treat people coming into your health care facility. So again, the shield is attached, but it's also removable. This is HEL-GIE LLC, and we designed this company this year to try to help with this pandemic. We have a few versions of the HEL-GIE: 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 4-in-1 PPE mask. What else is there to say? We just want to help during these unprecedented times and keep people safe. Thank you, and have a great day.